Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name's Callum and I'm a software tester. Guys, I just want to say real quick, I'm sorry. I haven't uploaded in like a good few months and there's been loads of you commenting on my videos. I just want to say sorry for not neglecting you, but just not uploading as frequently. But anyway, just want to say for all the new subscribers here, thank you so much. And if you're watching for the first time, hello. Welcome. Yeah, this is a YouTube channel where we talk about how to software test and anything and everything to do with QA. But in this particular video, I wanted to actually respond to one particular comment that I got in a video last time. I'll put their comment up. Hope you don't mind. We're going to be going over the reasons why I think it's important to know coding, and the comment states exactly that. They say why coding? Why, if I'm learning to just test applications, why should I need to learn coding? And that's a really good point. Let's get into the video. Alright, so let's first start with the comment, and this is from Illyrifique. They essentially say, why do I need to learn coding? I'm supposed to be testing the application from different aspects, so why the coding? Okay. Also, what languages do I need to learn if I have to? And to what level? Okay, so I think generally you're right, there are different levels of testing. Everyone's got to remember that. Usually, not always, but usually the first job that people will go into when entering the world of QA is manual testing. And you've heard me probably throw that phrase about that and automation testing. Essentially, manual testing is a really good first step. It's a really good first job for people looking to get into the world of QA testing. And I think you're right, you raise a really valid point. I wouldn't say it's really required, which is a good thing for people that don't feel that they have the coding skills built up yet. I always say for testing and QA, it's that balance. It's between a software developer, the more technical side, and product. Who will be your product owners, more project management type people. You're essentially there in the middle of the two, and it's your job as a QA, no matter whether it's a manual tester or automation, to balance the two and to help the two sides gel well. Yeah, that's the first part of the comment. Why the coding if you're just testing applications? Now let's look at the second part, which is also what languages should I learn? Yeah, if I have to, and to what level? Going into software testing, it's a really good idea to have done either a boot camp before, or to have worked a year somewhere else, just building up technical skills. Honestly, if you're going for a manual testing job, I don't really think there's any actual programming knowledge necessary. Maybe just an awareness of a more DevOps, CI. Anyway, my point being that for a manual tester, I don't really think there's an expectation to. If you want to look for ways to expand your role and grow more proficient in software testing, then you want to look at learning a programming language, essentially. If I'm testing an application that is written in Python, then would I need to know Python? If it's Java, then would I need to know Java? Yes and no. I think it helps to know what the code base is in. Bearing in mind there are loads of tools that could be written in something completely different you might test in. But essentially for unit testing, you'll most likely be writing in the same language, yes. So if you have an application, some of my work stuff is primarily written in .NET, I guess, C#. The low level testing in unit tests will be written in C#. But say, for example, I also looking at using another tool now to help generate tests. It's just another tool to help me test, which is not necessarily anything to do with the actual code base that the application is written in, and that is Python. So it's that's a completely different language, and that's not one that's really used in our code base for our product, but it's one that I'm using because another tool uses it. If you are going to take on the challenge of learning a programming language, then it's a safe bet to try and learn the language maybe that the code base is written in. So yeah, long and the short, I'd honestly say, do you need to learn a programming language for software testing to begin with? Probably not, although it's an absolute added bonus if you do. They'll appreciate that, they will love you for that, but it's not necessary. But as you go on and you are looking at more ways to expand your career, then I would certainly recommend it. And you know, for some people, like learning a programming language is a daunting task, always is. I'd say kind of, you know, stick to one that you enjoy, that you find that you can just deal with. And once you learn it well enough and you have a fundamental knowledge in it, then looking at other programming languages, generally speaking, they should come fairly naturally. Don't think it's set in stone, don't think there's not room to move about. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to quickly hop on and answer that question. There will be more videos coming up. I have a million and one things at the moment going on in my life, but I am gonna make it an absolute priority and a goal to try and do videos and upload them more regularly. So yeah, and I just want to say thank you so much for everyone for watching the video, whether you're subscribed or not. To all of my new subscribers, please stick around. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'm kind of wondering what I do for my next videos. I'll probably continue the practical software testing side to it, so actually showing you how to software test. I felt that could be really useful for some of the starters out there, but give me suggestions. I'm absolutely all ears to any suggestions. But from wherever you are, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.